The daily plank, a deep dive into a simple exercise. The plank, often considered the quintessential core exercise, is deceivingly simple in its form. Yet, it offers a range of benefits that extend beyond the aesthetic appeal of a toned abdomen. When incorporated into a daily routine, the results can be transformative, both physically and mentally. Well, I produce content and inform you so that you can be healthier. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. Let's delve deep into what happens when one commits to doing the plank every day. 1. Physical benefits. Enhanced core strength. At the heart of the plank's prowess is its ability to engage multiple core muscles simultaneously. This includes the rectus abdominis, obliques, and the transverse abdominis. Over time, these muscles become stronger, providing better support for the spine and improving overall posture. Improved posture. As the core becomes stronger, one's posture invariably improves. A strong core prevents slouching, ensuring the spine remains aligned. This not only helps in preventing back pain but also has positive effects on breathing and digestion. Better balance. Daily planking can also lead to improved balance and stability. This is because the exercise trains the muscles to stabilize the body, which is particularly beneficial for athletic activities and even simple day-to-day tasks. Increased metabolic rate. Like any resistance training, consistent planking can aid in boosting one's metabolism. Even though it's an isometric exercise, holding the plank requires energy. Over time, as endurance improves and one holds the plank for longer durations or integrates more challenging variations, more calories are burned, even post-workout. Bone and joint health. Planking is a low-impact exercise, which means it's easier on the joints compared to other forms of exercise. Moreover, it promotes bone health by stimulating the muscles attached to the bones. 2. Mental benefits. Discipline and consistency. Committing to any daily routine, including planking, fosters discipline. The simple act of showing up every day, even when one doesn't feel like it, nurtures a sense of dedication and consistency that can spill over into other areas of life. Mental fortitude. Holding a plank, especially as one pushes past their previous limits, is as much a mental challenge as it is a physical one. This daily test of endurance can sharpen mental resilience, teaching the practitioner to stay calm under pressure and persevere through discomfort. Mind-body connection. As with many exercises that require focus and precision, planking improves the connection between the mind and body. Over time, one becomes more attuned to their body's signals, understanding when to push harder and when to ease off. 3. Risks and considerations. No exercise is without its risks, and daily planking is no exception. While its benefits are numerous, it's crucial to approach the practice with knowledge and caution. Overuse injuries. Engaging in the same exercise daily without allowing muscles to recover can lead to overuse injuries. While the core muscles are robust and recover quickly, it's still essential to listen to one's body and provide adequate rest when needed. Form is key. Incorrect form not only diminishes the benefits of planking but can also lead to injuries. Ensuring that the body is in a straight line, with the hips neither sagging nor raised too high, is vital. Engaging the core, keeping the neck neutral, and distributing weight evenly can prevent undue stress on the lower back. Variety. Over time, as the body adapts, the standard plank may become less challenging. Introducing variations, such as side planks or forearm planks, can help keep the exercise engaging and effective. 4. Beyond the physical, a holistic approach. Daily planking is more than just an exercise, it's a commitment to self-betterment. The benefits, both seen and unseen, are a testament to the power of consistency and dedication. However, as with any fitness routine, it's vital to approach it holistically. A balanced diet, adequate hydration, and sufficient rest are pillars that support and amplify the benefits of planking. Furthermore, integrating other forms of exercise, like cardio and flexibility training, ensures a well-rounded fitness regimen. Conclusion. Incorporating the plank into one's daily routine can be transformative. Beyond the coveted six-pack abs, the exercise offers a myriad of benefits that ripple into various aspects of health and well-being. With dedication, correct technique, and a holistic approach, daily planking can indeed become a cornerstone of physical and mental strength. As with any fitness journey, the key lies in consistency, patience, and an unwavering commitment to oneself. And hey, let's talk about posture. Good posture isn't just about looking confident. It sends out vibes to everyone around you. People can kinda tell a lot about you by how straight you stand. Want to be seen as confident and attractive? Work on that posture. With planks strengthening your core, upper back, neck, and shoulder muscles, you'll be standing tall in no time. Oh, and guess what? Planking can also give your metabolism a nice little boost. If you're consistent with it, you'll not only burn more calories but also carve out those abs. Imagine, in just a month, catching a glimpse of that six-pack in the mirror. Balance and coordination? Planking's got you covered there too. It's all about those tiny stabilizer muscles. Even if you can't see them, they play a huge role in helping you stay balanced in any sport or physical activity. So, how long should you hold a plank? If you're a newbie, aim for 15 to 30 seconds. Always remember, it's better to plank right than to plank long. You don't want to go overboard. A few sets with proper breaks in between are more beneficial than a never-ending plank. Now, as much as I love planks, they do have their downsides. The main thing? Technique. Get it wrong, and you might put unnecessary strain on your back or shoulders. And holding a plank too long could shoot up your blood pressure. Always listen to your body. Want to nail the plank technique? There are tons of variations, but let's stick to the classic one. It's pretty straightforward. Imagine the top of a push-up but resting on your forearms. Keep your body straight, relax your head and neck, and ensure your elbows are right under your shoulders. Keep that breathing steady. A heads up though, planks aren't for everyone. If you're pregnant, have a back injury, or issues with your joints, it's best to steer clear. And just so you know, your core isn't just your abs. It's this whole group of muscles that acts like a shield for your internal organs, including your abs, obliques, and those fancy-sounding erector spinae muscles. Ever heard of people getting abdominal hernias? One main reason is weak core muscles. So, when you've got a strong core, your chances of getting a hernia drop significantly. Training your abs and obliques isn't just about looking like a fitness model, it's about keeping your insides safe too. Now, planking also does wonders for your back. Unlike exercises like the deadlift, which is awesome but can be risky if you mess up the technique, planking builds up your back muscles without that injury risk. I mean, nobody wants to deal with back pain, right? A lot of times, that pain is due to weak back muscles. So, doing planks can help with that too. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this, do check out my other videos. Give this one a like, share it around, and hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Catch you soon.